Medoseo josiasa makwedo sirikal ma osebedo kawacho ni ochumi mar Kenya okethore. Mbadi wacho ni ochumi sani dhi maber ahinya to bang' kane ochug sirikal mar manywanda mar broad based. Owacho ni weche mag ochumi mar piny ok nyal losi e rombe mag siasa kata e liete ka okoni kweth makwedo sirikal ok nyal yie ni ochumi mar Kenya dhi makare nikech ok gidwa jatend piny Kenya William Ruto gi piny owacho mare. Nolose kinde nyasi mar Sidayanga riwruok ma jofwamb weche kaunti no ma Homa Bay. Jalup gavana ma Homa Bay Yugi Magwanga, jaod bura ma kaunti no Dr. Joy Sosogo kod apis Saidul marango chenro mag jofwambo Media Council of Kenya e bade maimbo mar Kenya Teddy Evans Oundo to nojiwo jofwambo mondo mi Homed bedo e lai manyime mar keto jo Kenya lere weche matimore.
A debt that is coming up for payment in 2028. Because again, if we just wait until 2028 to come, only this year we managed the debt of 2027. It was $900 million. We paid off almost 600 million. It will not put a strain now on us as it would have done if we waited until 2027. Now the 2028 one, $1 billion is not small money. If we wait for that time to come, what would happen? What would happen is very simple. You'd send the signals that Kenya is going to default. The moment that signal is sent into the international market, the net effect of that is that the shilling will lose ground to the dollar, like it happened last year. So when you hear people in funerals, the economy is not managed in funerals. The opinion about the economy is given by people who understand the economy. So we are doing our best. I don't want to bore you with the numbers and figures and statistics and all those terminologies, but just if you can forget everything else, just remember that Mbadi said our economy is doing very well.